All right, we got her fitted on there, folks. I gotta say, this is the first time I've ever used two side gantries at the same time. So I got the rear one on the spine, giving it support and helping hold up the weight of the little nubs, the clipped falcon doors. And then I've got the side gantry so that I can find my 2 points. And this is what makes these Celette racks genius. Check it out. So you set it all up. You put it right where the position is supposed to be. And can you see it? It's right where it needs to be. No fumble around. You don't see me wiggling this thing around. It's solid. You got a point there. You got a point there on your A pillar. And back here on my B pillar, I've got my 2 points there. They are dead nut center. I don't know how much hell the way the part's made is sketchier than what. So see? So that's exactly where that's supposed to be. Takes away a lot of the guesswork. That's how you can repair things like this correctly. All right, Calvin, we stuck the quarter panel on there. What do we do next? It's on there, but it's on the Celette. What do we got to do? No. We got to put the shock tower clamp in there. Yep. And then we've got the two. You got these. Yep. So no, not that one. It's that one and that one. Yep. So just hold them, just push them in, put them in there. Hold on. You can get it in there. You just gotta be clever about it. It's cool. Yeah, that's a big tool. All right, so this is what's called crimp and polish. You see that? So then you got it. I'll hold it up from the backside. Just do the backside so that. Check this out.